Hello everyone and welcome back to another daily video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to block any user on YouTube and hide them from your channel. So let's say you got a really mean hate comment on one of your videos or community posts. For example, over here we have this mean comment made just a little bit ago, and you don't want anyone to see it and you don't want to see it yourself. What you're going to want to do is go over to these three dots and click hide user from channel. Then you click hide user, boom, and now this user will be blocked from ever commenting on your channel. And if we refresh the tab, you will see that this also deletes the comment. The comment no longer exists. That is how to block/hide any user on YouTube in 2025. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on notifications for more videos just like this one, and bye!